Hello and welcome to episode 3 of my development log stroke diary for my RTS project. In this episode, I just want to briefly go over some unit interactions. So you can see on my screen that we have some enemy units here in the red and we have our units here in the blue. Now, first of all, as per RTS game rules, you can't select this enemy unit because it's on a different team to you. And now if you select one of your own units and hover over, you'll see that the cursor changes to a sort of crosshairs type cursor, just to show that that unit is attackable. So when I right click on the enemy unit, there are no animations involved yet, but you'll see that the health is going down until I stop attacking. And you'll also see that our ammo went down when we attacked, but because we're inside this green radius, it replenished itself. Again, single character, if I attack, the health goes and then they disappear. Now, I just want to briefly go over sort of the how I've got these characters set up. So I'm using inheritance for the majority of them because every single unit will need to be able to receive movement orders, be selectable, and interact with units on their own side and also on the enemy team. So everything at the moment is based on this character base class. So every other character blueprint is going to be a child of this class and will have the ability to implement any of its parent functions. So this is just on begin play, getting the grid manager, registering themselves, setting their health and max ammo, setting that they're not dead, and then starting the timer that ultimately updates their position when they are moving. The toggle selection event, which is triggered when the mouse click is completed. So once it's released, it fires off this sequence of nodes, and then eventually it will toggle select, which means the character selection marker will show up underneath the character, showing the player that that unit is currently selected. We have go-to events, which are triggered when the character is selected and then the player right-clicks somewhere else on the map. It will move to that location. Attacking enemies is also handled in here. So again, it moves within range of the target actor, and then it starts an event that will keep on attacking until either the target is dead or the attack order is cancelled by the player ordering the unit to do something else, such as move away or attack another target. Because of the way this is set up, any unit that is a child of this character base class will be able to attack and also take damage and be destroyed. So this method calls the damage event on whichever unit is being damaged at that time. So even though it's in the same graph as character base, it is technically only called when a unit is damaged. We also have the attached to squad functionality here, which is still a work in progress, but I'll show you how it works for now. So if I select this single character unit and right click on the unit base, now those characters are attached together and will move together and will attack together, and will be resupplied together as well. So that's a feature that is going to be quite important when it comes to sort of tactical gameplay, I feel like, because I'm going to have several different character types that can be attached to squads that improve either the amount of time the squad can um, attack enemies for by resupplying them outside of a building supply zone. It might make them attack faster, do more damage, that sort of thing. So that's all future work. This is just the getting the foundation sorted out. And I think that is everything for now. I will just briefly go over the supply event. So this character here is within the supply zone. So you will see that the supply event is being triggered whenever the building responsible for creating this radius detects that this unit is within that zone. So if I now move it out of the zone, let's move them all the way with that. So what you'll see now, he's moved out of the radius and he's no longer in supply. So now if this character was to enter combat, his ammo would go down whilst he fought, but it would not be resupplied because he's now outside the zone. And that's everything for now, I think. In the next video, I'm going to talk more about some enemy AI programming and some more of the character attachment features that I've been working on. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Okay, hello.
Hello and welcome to